Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the aluminum alloy in Astroneer. This is a composite resource which is going to be useful for crafting things like the paver or large wind turbine and many more. So to begin, first of all, we'll need to have the chemistry lab unlocked and crafted. This can be done by going to the medium printer tab inside of the research center and scrolling down inside of the first row to the fourth position. Here you'll see what materials you require and how many bytes to unlock it. And once you've done that, place it on a large platform, provide some power with the cable plug, and now to get the aluminum alloy, you want to go to the third position inside of the chemistry lab, where you'll find the recipe for the alloy, on which you'll need one aluminum, which can be refined from laterite, and laterite can be found on every planet, mostly inside of caves, and then smelted inside of the smelting furnace to get the aluminum. Copper, on the other hand, cannot be found on every planet. It can be found only on Silva, or inside of mountains, or on Calidor inside of caves, as a resource malachite. Malachite can be then also smelted inside of the furnace to get copper. And once you have these materials, you want to make sure you got them in your inventory or placed them on the chemistry lab like I did. And then just press this green button right here to get the aluminum alloy. And as you can see, once it's done crafting, here is our aluminum alloy. So this is pretty much all. How to get it. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.